Friedrich Nietzsche is one of the greatest 19th century thinker whose ideas still have huge impact today. His sayings include, "There are no facts, only interpretation." It is still relevant today. Nietzsche is an unusual philosopher because he does not tell us what to think. He sums up, "You repay a teacher badly by becoming merely a pupil. In other words, read me, but think further." The will to power is the central concept in the philosophy of Friedrich Nietzsche. Will to power is a force which does not need another force to make it act. For example, if someone opens a beer in my presence, they force me to have a drink with them. It is best understood as an irrational force found in all individuals that can be channeled towards different ends. Will to power, Nietzsche described, is the main driving force in humans. Nietzsche proposes that everything we do is an attempt to assert ourselves onto the world. Look at me and how amazingly good I am at thinking. Need for power dominates over a human desire to simply keep safe and keep our hearts pumping. We would risk our safety to gain more power in the world. The will to power is a laboratory test by which life is an artist, a designer, a conqueror. It is a field of experience. Nothing is impossible. Therefore, it is clear to Nietzsche that life is a desire to increase. Life, according to Nietzsche, consists in always wanting more. Life is more than will to live, because we don't want what one already has. The will to power is to extend or exceed what is, to achieve something stronger still. Nietzsche is more interested in the sublimated will to power, where people turn their will to power inward and pursue self-mastery rather than mastery over others. Everything is in flux, and there is no such thing as fixed being. Matter is always moving and changing, as are ideas, knowledge, truth, and everything else. The will to power is the fundamental engine of this change. For Nietzsche, the universe is primarily made up not of facts or things, but rather of wills. On Nietzsche's own account, our interpretation of the world reveals who we are, what we value, and the condition of our will to power.